Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and also click on the bell button so that you won't miss any important updates. Hi guys, welcome to my channel TechnoStar. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a video in Filmora Wondershare. So today I'm using a cracked version of Filmora Wondershare, and if you want to know how to get a full version, that's the cracked version of Filmora Wondershare, so please check my old video about Filmora Wondershare. That's about how to download a cracked version for Filmora Wondershare, and it's really easy and it's a really cool trick to get, and it's 100% working, not like any other. And you'll get some videos in YouTube which just tells that you get, but it will be not a cracked version. So this is the full version, and you won't get any watermark after exporting your video. So today I'm going to show you how to create a video in this application. So let's get started. So now you can add the video over here. You will have the two video track, one text track, and two music tracks. You can even add new tracks if you want. So now you have two types of importing options. Like you can import from over here, like you can import media files from your folder by clicking on any of these, and otherwise you can just drag and drop it on the track. So now I'm going to add from here. Just click on the plus button, so you can see that it's already added. So now I'll show you how this plays. So you can see that the video is now is working with its music. So now I want to add a text over here, so just go to text and credit. So you have many options to customize your video, like you'll get different types of music which is there in its like you can get it from the store, or you can even add any music, like just import the music from your media file. So I have imported Alan Walker Fade, which I use in most of my videos. And you have text and credit options. You can add different types with different transition. You'll get a different text, so it will customize your video to a very good extent. So now we have transition, like from shifting to one video to another. You can add transition like different. You have many types of transition, like basic, fancy, like different types. You have 85 types of fancy, and you have basics, 9 types of basics. So totally there are 94 types. And you'll get filters which you use, like black and white, sepia tone. You can use it for your video so that it looks beautiful. And you have even overlays just like the filters. And you have elements, like you can add a badge, and you can add still badge, still nature. You can add different types, really, that is to like customize the video to the full its extent. And if you are doing a comparative video between two games, or between two applications, or between anything, you can just click or put it in the same screen by just splitting the screen into two, and you can add different videos in different screens. So you have different types of splitting options over here. So this is really a good application to create a video with. So I'm creating all my videos in this application, and it's really to use, easy to use. So now I'm going to show you how to add text. So just click on the text, and you'll get different types. Since I'm going to add opening title, I'm going to, for the opener, you have 28 types, like the bracket number on the bracket describes indicates how many types of how many types you'll get. So here you have 28 types. So I'm choosing this one. I don't know how it looks, but now you can see that you can't edit anything. So double click on this to edit. So you'll get a text over here. So click on it, double click. So you have clicked over here. So if you can change all the types, like you can change the font, you can change the size, bold, italic, and you can change the color, line spacing, letter spacing, everything you can change. And you have the advanced option over here, like the opacity, blurriness, and you can even change everything, border design, like border thickness, shadow, and even you can change the text style over here, like you get different types of text. So I'll show you the preview of this video. So you can see that the wildlife has come in a really beautiful way. It's like in a shining way, which will which will provide you a good video. And now you can even add a text and you can make it into a video. So now I'll go to the media section and I have over here some images, so I'm going to add it. So now the image has been anything for the setting, you need to double click it. So image just 5 seconds. So to enlarge it or to like you can adjust it, like I'm adding, first I'll show you, like now I'm adding a music. So I'll add Alan Walker. Waiting. So you have seen that where this bar is, there the audio will get set up. So you can drag this. So I have dragged over here, and now you can see that your after this the video, like after the line passes this, the video gets ends, but the song still continues. Like you have seen that there's a black screen, but still the song continues. So what you need to do is just click on the keep on the border of this, so you'll get an I mark, and drag this. So drag this till this fits over here. So now your video gets played till its end. So this is how you can add for audio. You can add any background, like you can add anything, or you can even add a video and you can separately record a track and you can add it even like this. So this is how you can edit easily in your video, your video. And you can even add, if you want, you can add filters like different types. So you can check the preview. So you can see the preview, the how it comes, and it will affect our rider where you place your this line, that's a playing line. So now at last, after you will get different types, like even if you want, you can change the transition over here. You can add the fancy transitions, like you can see that there is a transition after from shifting from one to another. So you can add transitions, you can add filters, you can add overlays, you can add elements, like you can add different types of, so can add anything camping type. And you can see that it's downloading its content because I have not downloaded everything. So there's so you can see that there's the comes in the middle, like camping. So you can add it different types. So you can make it in a creative way, and that the creativeness is depends on your mind. So how creative you can do it over here. And this I'll really tell you, this is as equal to Adobe After Effects, but this is really a good application. It's really very easy to develop and edit a video or any graphics like thing, and which is better than After Effects in editing, because it's really easy. And the last thing you need to do is just click on the export button after editing a video, and you'll get different types of the format which you can export. I usually export to MP4 because YouTube uses MP4 right now in the current thing, and you'll get the specified size, and even you can change the resolution over here. You can change into good, better. So as you change the format, even the file size gets changed. So in MP4 it's a big thing because 171 MB, and in AVI it's just 133. So it depends upon you, like how you create. And the last thing, just click on the export button to finish your video. And you can, after finishing your video, you can check the video and it will be really absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you. So I have kept it for converting. So you can see that it's already converting. You can see that the video has finished converting. So now I'll show you how it looks. Find target, and you have your video over here. So this is how your video looks. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel so that you'll get many more videos like the editing and the other tutorials of the other apps, and how to get the crack version for different types of applications. And also, if you like this video, please click a like button, and please comment about this video in the comment box, and even you can ask me about any other tutorials for any other apps. I'll come up with a tutorial for you. And thank you for watching.